Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have planned for you based on the triangles, and inside it we are going to discuss the centers of triangle. Inside it we are going to discuss the center of triangle and the remaining questions. Hello Harika, hello Ram, hello Shrivani, hello Ram and all others. Kindly do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well about your joining. Yes, Harika, after a long time. Have you seen the previous session of triangles, what is being taken by me? There are some of very important questions I discussed over there. There are some very important questions, guys, I discussed over there. So if you have not watched it, please do watch it. Today's session is going to be independent of that, however, because I'm going to discuss the centers of triangle. So if you have not seen that as well, still you can watch out it. But after today's session, please do complete the triangles complete session. Hello Harika, hello Dinesh, very good morning. Very good morning to all guys. I hope all of you are absolutely great. All of you are absolutely great. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on. Let's first do the homework questions, what I left for you. I think this is one of the homework question what I left for you. Have you tried it? This is one of the homework question what I left for you. I hope you might have tried it. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. Okay, great. Good information. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. D is a point on BC. D is a point on BC such that BD is 5 and AD is 13. Okay, good. Can you feel a triplet over here? Yeah. It's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. It's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. It's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. So 5, 13, then it's 12. AC is 37. Can you feel a triplet with 12 and 37? Yes, that is 35. 12, 35, 37 is also a triplet. 12, 35, 37 is also a triplet. If you doesn't know this as well, then you can apply the Pythagoras. Hello, Chantru. And the Pythagoras is going to be under root of 37 ka square minus under root of 12 ka square. For finding out this side, you can do under root of 37 ka square minus under root of 12 ka square. A minus B. A minus B is 25. A plus B, 49. Which is 5 into 7, 35. Even if you don't know the triplets as well, guys, finding the third side is damn easy. Even Vanakkam Chandru, Vanakkam to all South Indian friends, okay? Even if you don't know the triplet, finding the third side is damn easy. What is the length of DC? 35 minus 530. 35 minus 530. 35 minus 530. Okay, one more question which I have given you in the homework. Let's watch out that as well. Then we will begin with the centers of triangle. Okay? And please guys, when I say about giving you answers in the comment box, please take it seriously. Please take it seriously and give the answers in the comment box. I have checked the comments previously. There were only few answers. Okay, Ram. ABC is right angled at B. ABC is right angled at B. ABC is right angled at B. Very good. BD is the altitude. Altitude means the side which makes 90 degree on the opposite side. BD is the altitude. BD is the altitude. Today we will read the altitude as well. So altitude is the side which makes the angle of 90 degree on the opposite side. BD is the altitude. Intersecting AC at D. AC is given as 9, CD is 3, and total is 9, so this is 6. What is AB? What is AB? In the triangles complete session, I have given you the formulas. I remember it very well that length of AD is AB ka square. AB ka square divided by AC. Remembered, guys? Remembered? Length of AD is AB ka square divided by AC. Similarly, length of DC is BC ka square divided by AC. Remembered? Yeah. Length of DC is BC ka square divided by AC, and length of AD is AB ka square divided by AC. So, here most of the things are known. AD is known as 6. AB I need to find out. And AC is known as 9. And AC is known as 9. So AB ka square is 54. AB is root 54. Or better, guys, I keep it as 9 and 6 only. Three root 6. 3 root 6 is the correct answer. Guys, why are you giving A? Why are you giving A? Oh my god, oh my goodness. What is this? This is 36. If you take it inside, this is 36 into 3, root 108. This is root 108. Got your errors? Got your errors? Okay, options not clearly visible. I can take up Shrivani this. I can take up this. Okay. Chalo. Finally. Let's move on to the centers. Let's move on to the hello work. Hello Kashi. Vanakkam. Vanakkam to you as well. Namaste. Vanakkam. A small theory session, guys, for 5 to 10 minutes. A small theory session for 5 to 10 minutes. Make the heading centers of triangle. A small theory session for 5 to 10 minutes, okay? I will take two at a time. First centroid and incenter, then circumcenter and orthocenter. What is median? What is median, guys? If AD is a median, it will divide the opposite side. Into two equal parts. If AD is the median, then it will divide the opposite side into two equal parts. So what is the role of median? The role of median is it will divide the opposite side into two equal parts, drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. Then what is angle bisector, guys? What is angle bisector? If AF is the angle bisector, what is the job of an angle bisector? Guys? The job of an angle bisector is it divide the vertex angle into two equal parts. It divide the vertex angle into two equal parts. So it would be dividing the vertex angle into two equal parts, A by 2, A by 2. It divide the vertex angle into two equal parts. Okay? Okay? So what is the job of an angle bisector, guys? Angle bisector divide the vertex angle into two equal parts. Cool. Let's move on few more. There are few more. Write altitude. Altitude. And then perpendicular bisector. Then perpendicular bisector. How they are different? How they are different, guys? How altitude and perpendicular bisectors are different? How altitude and perpendicular bisectors are different? Okay, what does altitude do? The job of altitude is only to make the 90 on the opposite side. The job of altitude is only to make the angle of 90 degree on the opposite side. If AP is altitude, what we can say? We can say angle APC is 90 degree. What we can say? Angle APC and angle APB both are 90 degree. Clear, guys? Clear? Clear-cut definitions? Clear-cut definition. Median will divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Angle bisector will divide the vertex angle into two equal parts. Altitude will make the angle of 90 degree on the opposite side. And what does perpendicular bisector do? And what does perpendicular bisector do? And what does perpendicular bisector do? Perpendicular bisector is drawn for the sides. Yeah. Perpendicular bisector is drawn for the sides. Like, if I want to draw the perpendicular bisector for BC, I would be drawing a line. Which would be making 90 degree with the side. And dividing into two equal parts. Got the logic? You might have done it, guys, in your basic classes. Do you remember? Have you drawn perpendicular bisector by taking compass? You must have. Take the half arc and draw a perpendicular line. So, this is, let's suppose, the PQ. PQ is a perpendicular bisector. It will make 90. Guys. So it will create an angle of 90 degree and two equal parts. All the four definitions clear, guys? All the four definitions clear? All the four definitions clear, guys? These are the four different lines which we are going to deal with. These are the four different lines what we are going to deal with. Median, angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors, and altitudes. Median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, altitude. Now, corresponding to them, there are four centers. Okay? Corresponding to median, there is centroid. Corresponding to angle bisectors, there is in center. Okay? Now, corresponding to altitudes, there is orthocenter. And corresponding to perpendicular bisectors, Corresponding to perpendicular bisectors, there is circumcenter. And corresponding to perpendicular bisectors, there is circumcenter. Okay. So now all of you can very clearly observe. Point of intersection of medians is centroid. Point of intersection of medians is centroid. Let's suppose BD, BE and CF are the medians. Then the point of intersection is centroid, represented by G. Point of intersection of medians. Point of intersection of medians, yeah. Point of intersection of medians is being called as centroid. Similarly, point of intersection of angle bisectors. Point of intersection of angle bisectors. Point of intersection of angle bisectors is being called as incenter, represented by I. Point of intersection of angle bisectors is being called as incenter, represented by I. Point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection of altitudes. AP, BQ, CR. This point is being called as orthocenter, represented by O. Point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection of altitudes is being called as orthocenter. After this, I will take just one more slide and then we will start doing the questions. Okay. And point of intersections of perpendicular bisectors. Point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is circumcenter. So draw a perpendicular bisector for this. And this point is being called as circumcenter. See. Just one more last page. Is it clear till here, guys? Is it clear till here? Is it clear till here, guys? Well done. Now, after this page, we will start doing the questions. Yeah. For centroid, for incenter, for circumcenter, for orthocenter, we would be discussing some properties. For centroid, incenter, circumcenter and orthocenter, we would be discussing some important properties. First thing is, centroid divide the triangle into 6 equal parts. Centroid divide the triangle into 6 equal parts. Or you can say AD, BE, CF. These 6 portions are equal area. These 6 portions are of equal area. So area of AGF is equal to area of AGE. They all are of equal area. They all are of equal area. Yeah. Cool. Cool. So for centroid, this area relation is important. For centroid, this area relation is important. Okay. For centroid, this area relation is important. If I talk about more, then you can say that centroid 6 equal parts. Okay. One more. And this G, centroid will divide the median. Centroid will divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divides the median. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Okay. So AG ratio GD is 2:1. So AG ratio GD is 2:1. So guys, we would be doing the basic properties of each. Medians. Basically, yeah, you can say medians. If you want to call it very specific, yeah, medians. You can call medians, yeah, because these are medians are dividing it. Median. If you are very specific, then you can call medians. Centroid would be dividing in one part. Centroid would be dividing in one part, two part, and three part. It's a language game. Yeah, it's a language game. It's a language game. Clear? It's a language game. If you want to be very specific, okay. So write medians, okay, write medians. In center. There are a lot of questions over this. If BEN, these are the angle bisectors and they are intersecting at point O, then angle BOC is 90 plus angle A by 2. Then angle BOC is 90 plus angle A by 2. Yeah. Then angle BOC is 90 plus A by 2. Then angle BOC is 90 plus angle A by 2. Clear? This is in center. Better if I represent by I. Better if I represent it by I. Yeah. BIC is 90 plus A by 2. BIC is 90 plus A by 2. Where these are the angle bisectors. Okay. Does anyone know what is AI ratio ID? Anyone? If I is the in center, what is AI ratio ID? If I is the in center, what is AI ratio ID? Does anyone remember? For the in center. Dinesh, bit of correction. For the vertex side, it is the sum of adjacent sides. AB plus AC. For the vertex side, AI is the vertex, na? AI is the vertex. So for AI, it is sum of adjacent side. And for the ID portion, which is on the base BC, it is BC. For the ID portion, which is on the side BC, it's upon BC. Clear now? Easy to remember. Clear now, guys? Easy to remember. Okay. For the vertex portion AI, sum of adjacent sides, and for the guys the base, it is divide by base only. Okay. Now, if I talk about circumcenters, point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors, point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors, point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Let's suppose this point is C, and I want to find out what is BCC. I want to no, it's visible, Ram. I want to find out what is BCC. BCC, where C dash is the circumcenter. Where C dash is the circumcenter. So BCC is twice of the vertex angle. Is twice of the vertex angle. So one probability is 90 plus A by 2 for incenter. Another probability is twice of A for circumcenter. One probability is 90 plus A by 2 for incenter, and the another probability is twice of the vertex angle for circumcenter. Oh, really? There is one more probability, guys. There is one more probability for orthocenter. For orthocenter, 90, 90, 90. This is angle BOC. This is angle BOC. Here the maximum error happens. Here the maximum error happens. For orthocenter, it's also different. We are not going into derivations. Otherwise, I can derive them, but it will consume a lot of time. It will consume a lot of time. For orthocenter, guys, now again this angle is different. Angle BOC is, oh my God. For the orthocenter, again this angle is different, and now BOC will become 180 minus angle A. So three different centers, three different answers. Guys, three different centers, three different answers are possible. Have you seen it? In center 90 plus A by 2, circumcenter twice of A, and orthocenter 180 minus A. Three different centers, three different answers. If it is an incenter, 90 plus A by 2. If it is a circumcenter, twice of A. And if it is an orthocenter, it's 180 minus angle A. Got it? Excenter भी लिख देते हैं 90 plus A by 2. But there is no space. Let's do some questions now. So three different centers, there can be three different answers. Three different centers, there can be three different answers. Okay. Now let's start with some questions. Okay. Chalo. All the very best. All the very best. Now it's your time starts now. Now it would be a bit relaxed for me. Now it would be your turns. Yeah, now it would be your turns. Bisectors. Question of angle bisector. Question of angle bisector. Question of angle bisector. Angle bisectors means in center. Angle bisectors means in center. Angle bisectors mean in center. So you would be saying, sir, 122 should be equal to 90 plus a by 2. For in center, it's 90 plus a by 2. 32 is equal to a by 2. A is 64. Guys, each and every paper of SSC consists of this question. Each and every paper of SSC consists of this question. Okay. Where they give you the angle BOC and ask you angle A, where O is the in center. O is the in center here because it is point of intersection of angle bisectors. Because it is point of intersection of angle bisectors. Because it is point of intersection of angle bisectors. Let's move on. At least 15 questions. At least 15 questions, guys. From here, what would you say? In center, directly said. In center, directly said. PQR. Angle QPR is 50. O is the in center. What is angle QOR? Again 90 plus angle P by 2. 90 plus vertex angle divide by 2. 90 plus 50 by 2. 90 plus 25. 115. Directly said in center. Directly said in center. So 90 plus P by 2. 90 plus 50 by 2. 90 plus 25. It's 115. Medians problem. Only one correct answer. Those who have not watched the triangles first class, please do watch it. Yeah, please do watch it as soon as possible. Because I've taken some high quality level questions there. I've taken some high level quality questions over there. Yeah. Three medians intersect at G. Three medians intersect at G. AD, BE, CF. Three medians intersect at G. Three medians intersect at G. Okay. Complete is given as 60. So these medians will divide into 6 equal parts. These medians will divide the triangle into 6 equal parts. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 each. What is quadrilateral BDGF? What is quadrilateral BDGF? BDGF. Two triangles are inside it. Two triangles are inside it. 20 is the answer. Okay? Two triangles are inside it. So 20 is the answer. Ram, what are you trying to say? Let's move on. Fourth or maybe the fifth question. Come on, do it fast. Centroid of triangle MNP is G. Centroid of triangle MNP is G. There is a triangle MNP and its centroid is G. Okay. MG is given as 5. Then they are asking the length of MD total. They are asking the length of total MD. They are asking the length of total MD. You know, guys, centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. If 2 is 5, then 1 is 2.5. So the complete length of the median MD is 5 plus 2.5, 7.5. Clear to all? Clear to all, guys? Well done, Pragati. Well done, Dinesh, Srivani, Kashi, Ram, and all. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. If 2 is 5, 1 is 2.5. So the total length of the median is 5 plus 2.5, 7.5. Move on. Okay, great. Chalo. Visible? Visible? Ram is the fastest one. Let's see what he is giving the answer. Circumcenter of the triangle PQR is O. Circumcenter of the triangle PQR is O. Now the circumcenter problem has come. Angle QPR is given as 55. And angle QRP is given as 75. What is the remaining angle? 70 plus 50, 120, 120 plus 10, 130. After 130, I think 50 is the remaining angle. After 130, I think 50 is the remaining angle. After 130, 50 is the remaining angle. They are asking the value of OPR. If they would be asking POR, you would be giving the answer directly. But they are asking OPR. What is POR? What is POR? What is POR, guys? What is POR? POR is directly double of this, 100. That would be a normal question. That would be a normal question because double of the vertex angle. Double of the vertex angle. Opposite, double of the opposite vertex angle. This is the one step ahead. This is one step ahead. Okay, this is circumradius. This is circumradius. This is circumradius. If it is a circumcenter, you can draw a circumcircle outside it as well, na? So this is circumradius. This is circumradius. Both are equal to each other. If both are equal to each other, then after 100, you have to divide into two equal parts the remaining angle. After 100, you have to divide the remaining angle into two equal parts because opposite to equal sides angle are also equal. Opposite to equal sides angle are also equal. 80 is remaining, divided into two equal parts, 40 each. So OPR is 40. OPR is 40. Any doubt whatsoever? Guys, any doubts whatsoever? Come on, do tell me. Any doubts whatsoever? Come on, do tell me. Clear. Let's move on. Okay, till 55 for sure, yeah. G is the centroid, AG is equal to BC. AG is equal to BC. You know AG and GD is in the ratio 2:1. AG and GD is in the ratio 2:1. AG and GD is in the ratio 2:1. So assume it 2. If it is 2, this is also 2. If you extend it, guys, this portion is 1. And this AD is the median. Obviously, yeah, centroid lies on the median. Obviously, centroid lies on the median. So if you will extend it, it will maintain 2:1 as well, and it would be a median. And what is the job of median? The job of median is to divide the opposite side into two equal parts. To divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Now, some of you can visualize a circumcircle here. Some of you can visualize a circumcircle over here. Radius, radius, radius. Some of you can visualize a circumcircle over here. Radius, radius, radius. An angle subtend in a semicircle is always right angle. So angle subtend in a semicircle is always a right angle. So BGC is 90. However, if you want the angle explanation, I can give you that as well. If you want the angle explanation, I can give you that as well. Do you want? Bacha, do you want the angle explanation as well? Okay. So if you want the angle explanation, then it would be like this. Equal, equal, equal. Equal, 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 yeah. Assume it theta. This is also theta. So external angle is 2 theta. So external angle is 2 theta. These two sides are equal. So angle opposite to them are also equal. Theta, theta. If this is theta, this is theta, this is 2 theta. After 2 theta, how much angle will remain? 180 minus 2 theta. After 2 theta, how much angle will remain? 180 minus 2 theta. These two sides are equal, so divide into two equal parts. 90 minus theta each. 90 minus theta each. So this is 90 minus theta. So what is this complete angle? This complete angle is theta plus 90 minus theta. That is 90. Cool and clear? Sir, how BD is equal to DC? Because AD is the median. Because AD is the median, so median will divide the side into two equal parts. Pragati. AD is the median. That is why centroid lies on the median only. Centroid lies on the median only. Any doubt whatsoever to anyone? Any doubts whatsoever to anyone? Come on, tell me. BD plus DC is 2, so BG is 2, GC. AD is the median. You should be dividing into 1 and 1 for sure in the very first second. AD is the median. You should be dividing into 2 equal parts, 1 and 1 for the very first moment. Let's move on. Guys, if you like the session, please do not forget to like it as well. This is really surprising that watching is more than likes. Yeah, this is really surprising. Watching is more than likes. However, there would be a lot of different peoples who have joined during the session. So, if you like the session, guys, please do not forget to like it. Yeah. In triangle ABC, angle A is known. Last question. Nahi. Okay. Yeah. In triangle ABC, angle A is known. O is the orthocenter. In triangle ABC, A is 58. In triangle ABC, A is the 58. O is the orthocenter of the triangle. O is the orthocenter of the triangle. Very good. BO and CO. BO and CO meets AC and AB at E and F. Okay. O is the orthocenter. BO and CO meets at AC at E and F respectively. Very good. Very good. O is the orthocenter. O is the orthocenter. Apply the property of orthocenter in the very beginning. Apply the property of orthocenter in the very beginning. Orthocenter BOC is 180 minus A. Orthocenter BOC is 180 minus A. So I think it's 122. 122. Now guys, we would be interested in, now we are interested in this triangle. Now we are interested in triangle OBC. Now we are interested in triangle OBC. Now we will draw the bisectors of OBC. So now we will draw the bisectors of OBC and OCB. So now we will draw the bisectors, internal angle bisectors of OBC and OCB. So again, this point of intersection would be, in center for this triangle. This point of intersection would be in center for this triangle. So I can say, they have given it a name BPC. So this BPC should be 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2. 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2. Ninety plus vertex angle divided by 2. Clear? So a combination of two questions. A combination of two questions. Yeah. A combination of two questions. There were a lot of questions, guys. I will discuss them in the next classes. Yeah. I can give you 2 as a homework as well. Homework 1. Homework 1. 1, 2, 3. Homework 2. Homework 3. Homework 4. So quite a busy day for you. Quite a busy day for you. Home 5. That might be the last. Oh, chalo. 5 is sufficient, guys. 5 is sufficient. I will discuss the remaining in the upcoming sessions. I will discuss the remaining in the upcoming sessions. I will discuss the remaining in the upcoming sessions. This is your Exampur official app, guys. You know the feature, like offerings of it. Huge offerings about quizzes, job alerts, previous year PDF with solutions, study material, current affairs, and test series, free courses. Huge offerings, okay? And this is the way to download it. Go to the Play Store, type the Exampur, you will get the app, install it, register it, and start using it. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed the session, thoroughly learned some new things, and it's done for today. I will meet you in the next session. Please do the homework and comment me your answers in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much. Take care of yourself, Nandri, and take care of yourself.